guys, this is Dinesh from Technology Inbuilt, and in this video I'm going to unbox and give my opinions about this Xiaomi A1. So let's get started. So guys, here we have the Xiaomi A1. So Android one written here, Xiaomi logo, Xiaomi A1 phone printed. On the back side we can see it's written, it has dual camera 2x optical zoom, pure Android, Snapdragon 625, 5-inch Full HD display. So this were some of the specs of this phone. Now let's unbox this phone. So here we have the Xiaomi A1. So I have the black one. So guys, as you can see, the thickness of this phone is very less, and the dual camera, dual flash, Android one. So let's keep the phone aside and check the box content. So here we have the temporary glass protector. In the box, in the SIM ejector tool. In the box we can see a charging adapter with the rating of 5 volt 2 ampere. With the rating of 5 volt 2 ampere. So this is not a fast charger, but Snapdragon 625 supports fast charging. So, and the other side you can see the charging cable. So this is USB to USB Type-C charging cable. So let's keep all this aside, and now let's check the phone. So guys, let's boot into this phone now. So here I have the Android one logo and my logo. So now we have started the mobile, and you can see this stock Android. So let's check into the settings now. So here we have the Android version 7.1.2, which is now get, and today 31st December we have got the Oreo update for this phone, and the security patch for this phone is August 1, 2017. So this was all for this. Let's check about the memory now. So 8.21 GB is already used of 58.24 GB. So let's check the camera now. So the camera is a lot good. As you can see, there is no noise. As you can see, there is no noise, and the picture is not blurry, and you can see every detail very clearly. So let's check the 2 in. So this is the 2x2. The 2x2's optical zoom works very good. Let's check the other features of this phone. So as this phone has stock Android, you will get a very good speed and no lags, and you will get regular update for this phone. As today I got the Oreo update for this phone, so I have not updated still. So guys, now let's take a physical overlook to this device. So On the front we can see it has physical touch button with backlight, a 5 megapixel camera, a ringer, and the side on the right side we can see volume up down button, power button. On the left side we can see a SIM tray. So this is basically hybrid SIM slot. On the back we can see a dual camera lens with the one is the wide one and the second is the telephoto one, dual LED flash, a fingerprint scanner. On the bottom we can see a speaker, USB type C charging port, a 3.5 mm audio jack. On the top we can see a IR blaster and a secondary microphone. So this was the physical overlook of the device. So the specs of this phone are as follows. The weight of this phone is 168 gram, which is light. The battery capacity of this phone is 3080 mAh. The display of this phone is 5.5 inch HD display with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. It runs on the chipset of Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 2GHz octa-core processor. It has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and it is expandable up to 128 GB. It has a 12 megapixel of rear camera with dual lens. It has 5 megapixels of front camera. The operating system of this phone is Android 7.1.1, stock Android. So these were all the specifications of this phone. Now let's give this phone tech points. So the tech points are as follows. For design, this phone is get 9 out of 10. As it has a metallic body, has a good finishing, and the thickness of this phone is 7.3 mm. For display, this phone get 9 out of 10, as it has a brighter display with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. For software, this phone get 9 out of 10, as it has stock Android of 7.1.1 Nougat. For performance, this phone get 9 out of 10, as it has 4 GB of RAM and you can do multitasking without worrying of lagging, and you can play heavy games without worrying of lagging at all. Battery life, this phone gets 7 out of 10, as it has a battery of 3080 mAh and you can use this without worrying about the battery at least for 8 hours. Camera, this phone get 8 out of 10, as it has a dual lens for optical 2x optical zoom, and the portrait mode works very good, and the front camera is also good with no noise in the lighting conditions. So guys, this was all for this video. See you in my next video. Till then, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Technology Inbuilt. Thank you.